Today we're hosting an open house, and I truly believe it's hosting an open house. What we hope happens is the new homeowner is coming into what will be their new home. So we have to make it comfortable, we have to make it cozy, we have to make them see themselves living in here. So we're gonna put out all the stops. We're gonna put balloons on the open house signs, put various signs out in the street to attract passerby traffic, post internet ads. Nowadays, 80 to 90% of marketing is online. So we've posted a video on Facebook, we've done Instagram and some other media channels, and it's on the MLS, of course. We differentiate ourselves by inviting the neighbors in. Neighbors are a perfect source of people that are looking to move to the same town, be it an extended family or a friend of the family. So we invite them in an hour before the public comes in. It's a great chance to show them the place that they probably are curious about anyway, and with any luck, we get a buyer out of it. We're making the home as cozy and as warm as possible. We're putting out coffee or refreshments. We're lighting candles, maybe even cookies in the oven. We have a nice subdued music playing as they come in. We want to make them feel at home. And that's what it's all about.